Hello guys, today I want to share my review and my opinion on this minimalist calendar. Is the 2025th second part of the year and the 2026 version, and it just arrived and I want to show why is it a game changer for me. First of all, I want to talk about its design. It's really light so you can take it anywhere you want as a notebook. It also has this option of vacations where you can plan out your vacations, saying where, from where you're going to when, the dates. It also brings like really big spaces for each day so you can keep track of whatever you want. And the paper feels like of a great quality, so the pen doesn't like bleed through pages. Also, I really love that it's really easy to mount. I'm gonna show you in the next clip. So yeah, as you can see, I just did a little hole in the wall and I placed a screw, really easily done. And the calendar brings this little hang and you just place it like this wherever you want. And it's really light so it won't fall at any time. And it's really easy to like just keep track of your habits or whatever you want. And yeah, guys, if you're looking for an option that it's simple, it's stylish, it's not anything more than what you need, I think this is a really good option. For me, honestly, it helps me with my day-to-day. It helps me plan out my projects, my workouts, everything. It also brings this whole year, so you can like add up those really important things. And yeah, thanks for watching.